don't forget to hit the notification. I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today I am going to show you how to make 2 personalized frames that you can use to give as a gift for someone, especially now that Father's Day is coming. This is a perfect idea for that, but also if you want to decorate any of the spaces in your home, work, or whatever. So I hope this idea is useful and that you enjoy it. But before we start, I just want to remind you that if you're not subscribed to this channel, you can do it by clicking that subscribe button that is down below here, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. But without further ado, let's start with this tutorial. To make these custom picture frames, we will need paper of your favorite colors, photographs, a dip frame, also known as a box frame, Scrabble type letters. If you have the board game, you can take them from there, or you can find them in craft stores. A ruler, glue stick, pen or pencil, and scissors. First, we take the back of the frame and measure the length and width, and then we mark these measurements on the paper to make sure it covers the entire background of our frame. Once it's ready, we measure the photograph and mark the necessary points on the colored paper to make sure the photo is centered. We put some glue on the back of the picture and stick it to the paper using the marks we made before as a guideline, making sure not to create any creases when attaching it to the paper. Afterwards, we take the letters necessary to create the phrase we want to put in our box. And the fun part is that you can customize it according to the photograph, the theme, or the person to whom you are going to give this to. In my case, the letters I found have glue on the back, but if you cannot find them like this, you can use a hot glue gun. Make sure that the phrase is straight and that there is approximately the same distance between each letter. You can use the ruler if necessary, and a tip I can give you is that it's best to start with the center letter of the phrase and work your way towards each side to make sure that your phrase is centered. Once our phrase is ready, we put our picture in the frame and close it so that it is secure, and this is the final result. As you can see, this idea is so versatile, and also it is very easy, fast and cheap, and the best part is that you can customize it in any way you prefer. Easy and fast you can do these personalized frames, either for you or as the gift for someone. As I told you before, as you could see, they are very versatile and you can personalize them with the colors, the themes, and whatever you need for a gift or for your home. I really hope this video was useful and that you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button down below, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. For me, it was a pleasure being here with you today, and I will see you next time. Bye!